Precautions while investing in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative venture, but it also comes with its share of risks. To help mitigate those risks, here are the top 5 precautions you should take when investing in real estate. 1. Research the market thoroughly. Before making any real estate investment, conduct thorough market research. Understand the local real estate trends, property values, and the economic factors that can affect property values in the area. Look for areas with potential for growth and stability. 2. Set clear investment goals. Determine your investment goals and strategy. Are you looking for rental income, long-term appreciation, or a mix of both? Define your budget, preferred property type, and expected returns. Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. 3. Due diligence on the property. Perform a comprehensive due diligence on the property you intend to purchase. This includes a thorough inspection of the property's condition, the title search, zoning regulations, and any potential liens or encumbrances. Make sure you understand all the costs associated with the property. 4. Financing and risk management. Assess your financing options and have a well-thought-out financial plan. Carefully consider the risks involved, such as interest rate fluctuations and market volatility. Diversify your investments to spread risk and have a contingency plan for unexpected expenses. 5. Legal and tax consultation. Consult with legal and tax professionals who specialize in real estate to ensure your investments are structured properly. They can help you with entity formation, tax planning, and compliance with local laws and regulations. Understanding the legal and tax implications of your investments is crucial. Additional precautions may be necessary depending on the specific property and location, but these 5 precautions provide a solid foundation for anyone considering real estate investment. Remember that real estate investment is a long-term commitment, and taking the time to research and plan can help you make informed decisions and reduce the potential for costly mistakes.